question.
Question number 14.
Huh?
Question number 14. A man invested.
Question number 14. Huh?
A man invested 45,000.
A man invested 45,000. Okay.
In 15% rupees 100 shares.
In 15%
Rupees 100 share.
rupees 100 share
Quoted at rupees 125.
huh?
Quoted at
Quoted at rupees 125, right? This is the question.
when the market value
When the market value
of these shares rose rupees 140.
when market value grows
Rose.
MB grows to rupees 140.
He sold some share.
Sold some share
Just enough to raise rupees 8.
Some share
Just enough to raise rupees.
just enough to
raise rupees 8,400.
8,400. Okay.
Number of share.
Sold some just for number of shares. Right? This is the question we have. So, total number of shares. Total number of shares is equal to 45,000 divided by 120, right? So you get it becomes 4,500 upon 12.
So 120.
Acha, it's 125, sorry. Share value is 125. Market value of the share is 125. So not going to remove this. This becomes like remain same. So when we divide it by 5, we get 9,000. And when we divide it by 5, we get 25. Right? Further, when we divide 3 times, 6 times and 0. So 360 shares are there. 360 shares he has. Right? So sale proceed is equal to rupees 8,400. So number of shares is equal to Number of shares, 360 shares he is having. How many shares are there? Hmm. 8,400 he wants to get. 8,400 is equal to n into 140. So n is equal to 8,400 upon 140. How much you get? 60 shares. 60 shares sold. Getting? What is your answer? 60?
300.
60 shares sold. Question क्या है? Number of shares, remaining number of shares.
He still holds.
Number of shares still holds. So that is equal to share hold is equal to 360 minus 60 becomes 300. 300 shares are still there. Sale proceed is this. So number of shares. This is what? This is number of shares sold. Number of shares. Number of shares sold. You get this?
Yes.
This is the solution of the question. You understand? Next part. What?
The dividend due to him on these shares.
From these 300 shares, how much dividend he is getting? How much dividend he is getting? So dividend is equal to 300 into 15 into 100 upon 100. You get this? Rupees 4,500. What is?
4,500.
This is the dividend he is getting. Next.
Ajay owns 560 shares. Ajay owns.
Next question.
Yes.
Should I rub this? Oh, what is your question number? Question number 15. What is that?
Ajay owns 560 shares of company.
560 shares. Right. Again?
The company face value of each share is 25.
NB is
25.
rupees 25. Right?
The company declares a dividend of
NB
9%.
is rupees 25. Now
Dividend of 9%.
dividend is equal to 9%.
Calculate dividend that Ajay will get.
Dividend is equal to 560 into 9 into 25 upon 100, 4 times 140. How much?
1260.
Rupees 1260. This much is dividend. So what next?
Rate of interest on his investment if Ajay paid rupees 30 for each year.
क्या?
Rate of interest on his investment.
Rate of interest मतलब return percent, right? Rate of interest मतलब rate of interest is equal to return percent is equal to so what return percent, right? MB is how much?
30.
Rupees 30, right? So money invested money invested is equal to 560 into 30, right? So how much you get? 0,081. 16,800. Is it correct? Yeah, this is money invested. Now
Mr. Panigilano.
so return percent is equal to income upon investment. Another way to get this, no need to get this, you need return percent, you can go by this also. Return, anyway, I'm doing like that. Income upon investment into 100%. You get this? So how much is the income is how much? 1260. Money invested 1680 into 00 into 100%, right? Percentage. So these two zeros are cancelled out, and when you divide it, 7.5%. You get return percent is 7.5%. This is the one way. Another way you can get return percent into MV is equal to dividend percent into NV. So return percent, dividend is how much? 9, NV is 25 or MV is 30, right? So this is how much? 5 times 5 becomes 25, 6 times 5 becomes 30, 3 times 3 becomes 9, 2 times 3 becomes 6. 3 times 3 becomes 9 and 2 times 3 becomes 6. 5 times 3 so 3 into 5 upon 2, it becomes 15 by 2, it becomes 7.5%. You can, by using this formula or either using by this formula, you can do the question. Done?
Yes.
This was question number 15.
Ito niya, aray ka ha. Ato ko sa Italia. Ano, deglo sa Italia. Abing Italia. Ang naghihintay lang kapag yun. Halim. Ang naghihintay. Halim.
ये चम्मच क्यों?
Chamba si ka.
चम्मच से कट
Kapag yun. How?
मुझे चम्मच का नहीं काट
What is your next question? You are coming from upside down or downside up? Okay. What is next? What is next question?
16.
What is that?
A company with 100 shares
Company shares 100.
or 10,000
10,000.
of nominal value rupees 100
Nominal value rupees 100.
declare an annual dividend of 8%.
Declare annual dividend 8%.
Calculate total amount of dividend.
Total dividend is equal to 10,000 number of shares into dividend percent into NB upon 100, right? So it becomes rupees 80,000. Is it? Now what?
Ramesh bought 90 shares of company at 150 per share.
Ramesh, how many shares?
90 shares
90 shares
at rupees 150.
at rupees 150. So what do you want?
Calculate the dividend he received and the percentage return on his investment.
Okay. So first money invested is equal to 150 into 90, right? right? This much he invested, and dividend he get. Dividend, how many shares? 90 into 8 into 100 upon 1 upon 100. Cancel out. Rupees 720. So return percent. Return percent of Ramesh is equal to 720 upon 13,500 into 100%. These two are cancel out, and how much this will be? $15.80. So how much you get? 80 by 15. 3 times, and this is 16. So 5 whole 1 upon 3%. What is your answer? 5 whole 1 upon 3%. This is, we have what Ramesh, return of Ramesh is this. Okay, now that question, this question is over.
Yes.